Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Asked for expedition. Unity Mall has been a subjective matter of the vision carried by our Honorable Prime Minister, and Invest India in the country are trying to move it fast. Our Secretary Tourism and Director Tourism have been moving fast on this particular concept. Land identification करून रोखडोच Unity Mall घालप, where closely about a project close to 100 crores under Unity Mall will be given from the center, for which will have products from every state plus amche one district one product ODOP and various more things can be put in, which can be quite a tourist attraction. Thus, the board has proposed a world-class oceanarium under center funds, for which the letter to the Prime Minister has to be given through the Honorable CM has already been moved, and the land which is to be identified at Qtol, which will also have amenities for all air-related tourism, is also being proposed and passed through this board today. Safety issues खातीर surveillance खातीर Nirbhaya projects जे आसा at the center. Talking to the center, we are trying to take help. Under this particular part, we will be able to support the idea of getting the surveillance right. As Goa Tourism Board did not have a project management unit, already tender zala. So PMU coming in place will allow the board to get advice in terms of the master plan, revisiting that, talking to the members of the industry and moving things ahead. Digital Nomad visa has been discussed here, which is a part of tech tourism promotion. And the digital Nomad visa करपाक external ministry कडे उलोवपाक मुख्यमंत्र्याचो परत help जावन करचे पडटले ते आमी हांगा discuss केला. And if this particular opens, digital Nomad visa will give a new opening to homestays, to tech tourism and to overall the economy and employment, especially economy in the rural belt.